Welcome back to Borderlands 4. We are here in a new area. We're working on this area now. We're going to start working this area up here. I don't know how far up we can go, but kind of like this area. I don't know how far we can go here either, but I kind of just stopped because this seemed like a mountain range over here. I couldn't, last couple of videos we spent in this dig site right here. No, this is an auger mine. That's right. Abandoned auger mine. And let's see, what was there you go, the boss Bramble song, a giant cratch, whatever they call those things. So we did that a couple of videos, and we started this little side mission, Imminent Jest. These two brothers are playing quote unquote practical jokes on each other, and we're the guys that we kind of make it happen. I really wish I could control the day-night cycle on this thing. But I think the red sky is because there was a event nearby here somewhere. Where is it? I don't see it. What's this? Oh, an ancient crawler. Well, this is a new area now, so let's see what's here. Lopside. Just pretty much one of everything. 2 deadbolts. Only 1 safe house. Crawler site and a Ripper drill site. Ripper drill site. I don't know what that one is. Man, those things are tough. Those are just tough. Imminent Jest. So that's what we're doing right now. So we got to go straight across from our little hidey hole here, our little safe house. We got to go this way and complete the next step. I don't know how many of these we got to do, but it's dumb shit. So let's go there. Wait, this way? Is it this way? Where is it at? Let's see. Is it this direction? Let's see. Yeah, but something tells me let's see which way I gotta go. Way over there? Really? That GPS is messing with me again. There it is over there.
There, we're on a shack. Now, you must cut power to the air conditioning unit, and thus ruin his stay with humidity!
Let's see what the enemies are over here. Bunch of weird shit. What's this?
Almost didn't see you there.
All right. What is that thing? Really? Uh-oh. Did I die? Damn it. That's why I wanted to make it daylight. I can't see what's going on. And crapola. Come on, let's go. Get me back to life. 300,000. That means I had almost 3 million. I did have over 3 million. But not anymore. Let's see something. Which weapon do I got hooked up? Let's go with this. I don't know what that big thing was, but let's just go there this way. Let's get him from a distance. Pangolin. One of them's a level 40. That must have been the big monster guy. Nice ricochet. You guys just take care of that mess. I'll take care of this mess. So what is that big guy? He is a What is he? Eccentric. Regenerative. Okay, so he's trouble.
Careful, that'll explode in a sec!
Die. Here we go. Oh, stay away, stay away, stay away, stay away. Another one. Just go away, will you guys? There's another one somewhere. Where is it? This area is dangerous, man. He's on my radar, but I don't know where he is. Okay, was I over there before? I was over in that area before, wasn't I? No, I guess not. Is he underground? Is he glitched? Must be glitched here. He's glitched in the ground. Sometimes you can get them if they're glitched. I don't know where he's at. Let's get this loot that's laying over here, and then we're gonna go destroy the frickin' air conditioning. Let's see what's around here. What the hell is that dinging? We got down there. Pistol. Alright, so can I just destroy can I just hit it? Or I gotta go up there and whack it? I gotta go, oh, I gotta tear the front of it off or something.
Ah, the AC unit malfunctioned and set me on fire! Ah! It hurts so bad!
Where did he
I'm
go?
dying! This isn't funny anymore! Ah!
Where the hell did he go?
Oh, shit! No! Oh, yikes! I'm sorry!
So, how did the prank go? You must meet me in person and convey the details.
Yeah. Bad news is always better in person.
I suspect that's your way of saying the prank went very well.
Okay, so now where do we gotta go? We gotta go back down here. There's an event. We gotta go this way. I guess him and his brother went right to that place, didn't he? Went to his brother's place. One guy went right to his brother's place. Ouch. The yawning yard. Ouch. I'm gonna fight a bunch of guys to get through this. There's a bunch of shit going on over here. I'm gonna try to avoid it, but I don't think it's avoidable. Oh, we got... Yeah, I knew it.
Sorry, you had a little schmutz there.
Dude. Can we talk now?
So tell me, how went the pranking?
I'm really, real sorry about this, but your brother kind of died.
What? Can't What?
He died? I didn't know that.
I can't believe you held the old brother on fire, Frag. Jaggers, come out here.
Not one of these
The
things.
look on your face when I ran out of there covered in hollow flames. Delightful.
Oh, so I'm the... yeah, okay, real cute.
Oh, you haven't even heard the best part. We're going to do a whole new prank called Kill the Vault Hunter and sell their parts at the black market.
Ah, Jesus.
Now, be a good child and give us all your innocence.
That's you.
Oh, really? No, go that way. I knew these guys were gonna do this. Where's that freaking beast at that's dropping all this crap? Drop any more of those things. God, those things are gross. Really? What the hell? I have no idea what's going on. So these guys didn't drop any gear. This? That's it? There's all the weird, bizarre noises. That's a giant skull over there. That's kind of cool. I don't know what's in there. I ain't gonna mess with it. There's just a lot of bullets and I'm not gonna get nothing out of either. Like this. I got nothing out of this. This is one creepy area. Is that lightning? No. That looks like the moon, Elvis. That looks pretty cool, actually. Alright, so let's go. I want to go back. I want to discover. There's a couple discoverable locations. Here's one here. Undiscovered. That's just up the road. What was this? This is a crawler. And then we got this place. What is this? World events. I don't want to go there. Don't creep impact. That tell me about that. That's just gonna be a whole bunch of creeps, huh? That you gotta fight for like ever, like thousands of them. And then we got this world event here. I thought there was another. Oh, I guess we discovered it. This must have been the other place. Yeah, that was this place here, Embracer's Bluff. Okay. We discovered that. That was where the brothers' place was. Okay. Alright, so let's go and grab this right here. That's up the road here a piece. Let's just listen to the sounds. That's crazy. And there's some music playing somewhere over here. Turn the music off. I want to hear this stuff. It's like a bus stop. Alright, so we were over there. We want to go. This must be the place here. These all look like bad guys over here too, hey? Some meathead there. Let's get some health going. Top that off. That's a meathead there. Is that what that is? Do her, do her. That's pretty good. Just threw a grenade at me. So is this what we want to discover? I guess so. What is it? Or there's a deadbolt here somewhere. Alright, so where's the deadbolt? There's a couple things here. It looked like a deadbolt and what a echo device, probably. I heard the ding. Alright, so where's the deadbolt at? Up on top of the roof or something? That's the end of the map there, no doubt. So I guess we gotta go, yeah, right there it looks like. No deadbolt yet, and no... What's in there? Can I get up on the roof here? Let's see. Maybe I can see a deadbolt from up here somewhere. Maybe in here. What's that? Is that a key? A vault key? No. Oh yeah.
This is what I do. One fragment in the bag. Now on to the next.
Okay. Just stumbled across that. Here's a deadbolt. So, why didn't that key show up on the map? Because we had the oh crap, a lot of lockers here. We got the safe house. I guess you have to find a silo with a balloon. We don't have that yet, do we? No. But I would think if I found this, there's still something here. A echo log. There's an echo log here somewhere. Where? Right here? What's this?
Rookie, my FOMO senses are tingling. Did you find another capsule without me? Oh, you did, didn't you?
Okay.
Well, that's fine. As long as you didn't decrypt it without me. You'll tell me when you're gonna decrypt it, right?
Fortunately, that's not too far away. Except I don't know where the decrypting thing is here. I guess we'll find it when we get in here. Yeah, this was a hellacious battle to commandeer this place. Oh, there it is. I guess it shows up. So it wasn't a echo log. It was a lost capsule or whatever.
You looking for a quick decrypting? Hey, no judgment. When you encrypt on your own time, man, that was so freaking cool. I wish I could get cool encrypted stuff, but I'm not allowed. Ever since the distillation of all my darkest urges for my psyche was locked away deep in my subconscious.
So what did I get over here? SMG. Daedalus. Let's see.
You're charmed, I'm sure.
It can compete with anything I got. We got an SMG here. We got what do we got here? A pistol here. A TE door. This is not a TE door, right? No. Okay, SMG. We got this one right here. Yeah, mine's just a little bit better, isn't it? And that one cost 588,000 bucks. Nope. But that one is not a Ripper. which means it doesn't have to charge. The one I got has to charge up a little bit, which I don't even really use it that much because I've got better. I mean, I've got the, what do I have hooked up right now? Oh wait, is that the one I got hooked up? That might be, no, because I don't have to charge it. I have a corrosive SMG hooked up right now. Where is it? How come it's not showing up there? God.
If you see a dictator today...
Right, that's what I got. I got that. I got an SMG hooked up. Right here. Corrosive SMG. So, why do I have that other one? I don't need that other one. Got some stuff, got to go to the bank to get rid of it. Oh, I guess it's time to go through some stuff again, eh? It's that time, it's that time. Holy crap, I got a bunch of pistols, eh? Alright, let's see what we got. It's got some good DPS on it. They're both Jacobs. 6 in the mag. Wait a minute, that blue one's not my current one. That's what we need. Is this the current one? Here we go. Okay, purple and blue. Okay, so the blue is not as good as my purple one. This is a shock one. There's not a lot of elemental pistols. I mean, I get a bunch of them, just regular pistols. So this shock one, do I need that? That does a lot of shock damage, doesn't it? It's got a taser on it too. It's not a Jacobs, so let's just stick with Jacobs for now. We good? Okay. Okay, so I got a new. We got this right here. Here's my corrosive SMG, which is really awesome. New one's not awesome. And I have a shock SMG here. And that one doesn't work. Okay. And then we got just a regular SMG. Kinetic damage. I have 2 kinetic damage ones. Why? Oh, this one has exploding gyro jets. And then what is this one? This is another kinetic one. What does this one got on it? Zip rockets. I would imagine the zip rockets can ricochet. That's the reason I kept it. I can use the zip rockets to ricochet. But it still doesn't do a lot of damage, and I'm not using it. I should just sell it. Zip rockets. We'll hang on to it for a little while more. Get rid of this one. Corrosive shotgun. I have some pretty good corrosive weapons right now. Okay, fire, assault rifle. The T door. Sorry, but we don't do T doors again. Articulated scheme. Impactful articulated scheme. That's not too bad. That one has gyro jets that exploded. Yeah, they both do. Okay. And one's got 578 damage. Accuracy's good. Fire rate's a little slow. Let's test that right now.
Won't you?
See how that fire rate is. not bad. And you can charge it too, huh? Yeah. That's what's her name from Borderlands 3. Tyrene. That was pretty funny. She's on the radio. She's dead. We killed her. Okay, so that's not a bad weapon. Which one was that? That was this one here. Let's put my fire one back on. So that one's not bad as a kinetic weapon. Is that what it is? Yeah, let's I mean, it's got better DPS, pretty much. It's not a Jacobs though, is it? Critical hit. I like the ricochet. Ricochet really comes in handy. Well, we do have a lot of Jacobs weapons. Let's swap this out. This one? Is this the one? Yeah. Alright, and then we got a frosty one over there. I don't have a frosty one, do I? What's this one looking like? Hyperion Airstrike. Mark an area to call in an airstrike that deals 10,000 damage. Huh. Well, we might have to test that out too. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna live up to expectations over here. Oh, it's a Jacobs though. It's a Jacobs. 10 in the mag. And it fires we might have to swap that out. Reload speed's a little slow. Fire rate's a little slow, but still. So here's the question. Is the other one just worth more money because it's a purple? Let's see what the scope looks like. Oh, crappy scope. I don't want that. Yeah, we don't want that. No, iron sight. I don't want it. Is that even considered an iron sight? Yeah, we don't want that. Let's get rid of that one. Sorry, I like a scope. Good thing I checked that. I've learned to check that now because I got screwed up one time with that. Fire grenade. $821 damage, that's pretty good. Nuke grenade. Yeah, I'm kind of liking the singularity. Yeah, I kind of liking the singularity. Let's just stick with that one. Another heavy weapon. A few shields too, huh? These are all energy shields. Oh, that one's not bad. Recharge is pretty fast, but the delay is too long. But this one, this is a frosty one. Again, the delay is... Once the delay starts getting up to 5 seconds, that's a long time. That one recharges pretty fast, but it's a small shield. That's how they usually work. Now this one, yeah, 5 seconds again. That's just no good. Like I said, I'm going to keep doing this until someone says they don't like it. So someone says they're not interested in seeing all this. But like I said before, it's part of the game. You just kind of go with it. What do we got here? High capacity introverted laminate. Jimmy cap. And I don't understand that text either. It says grants up to 35% damage reduction scaling with broken armor segments. So does the damage reduction go up as the armor segments break? I don't understand that. Yeah, I'm just going to stick with what I got. There might be a way to Google that without class mods we can't use. What's this one? Siren. Let's bank that. And this is a Forge Knight. And we'll sell this one. That's not bad. Oh, over 10 seconds. Yeah, it's not good for someone like me that sucks. This is not bad. 792 and then 792 over 8 seconds, but I got 3,000 right now. But it's only got a 14-second regenerative time. That's pretty good. Maybe a couple more enhancements. Let's see. Nope, we're pretty good. Where the hell? There we go. Lost my vending machines.
You're a discerning one.
Let's see what we have left in the inventory now. How is 33? That's not bad. We can live with that. All right. So what's next? We got a world event there. We got a world event there. I guess we just go up the road and see what we see because we got to go in this general direction anywho to get up there to help out another faction. Probably that's how this has been working. Get a gun out of that. Some XP. It's marked as normal. So let's just go up the road. Like I said, God, I wish I could make it daylight.
Again.
Which weapons do I have hooked up here? Let's see. My normal ones. Corrosive. Fire. Fire. Corrosive. Corrosive. Let's put the shock one back here. That's not it. Is it? This is it. Oh, I got a rewards box too. What did I get? So I got a gun. No, I didn't get a gun. Paint job. This one looks like a gun. No, it's a gun. Gun paint job. Alright. Yeah, let's, did I get the shock one on? I did. Let's make sure it's in the right. I always use it. It always starts out wrong. Yeah, we gotta get shock going. Okay. Alright, let's go. And we want to go up the road. Jesus, these things are everywhere. Let's just get rid of it. Watch. Let's cruise through here kind of slow, see what's going on. We got a long way to go, don't we? Yeah. What was this? Electi safe. What is that? That's a new thing. Let's call it a video here, though, because we're going to have to fight for that, I guess. Let me go over here and get out of the line of fire for now. Hang on. Else I'll probably just get in the line of fire or something else. Alright, let's call it a video here. And then we'll go see what an Electi safe is. So, if you're watching, thanks for watching. See ya.